Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best option in kids' running shoes. The new Balance Kids Fresh Foam Arishi V2 Bungee running shoe. This shoe combines style, comfort, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for active kids. The new Balance Arishi V2 is designed with a fresh foam midsole cushioning that provides an ultra-cushioned and lightweight ride. This midsole is precision-engineered to offer superior comfort and support for young feet, ensuring they stay comfortable during playtime, sports, or everyday activities. The lightweight IMEVA foam midsole adds to this cushioning, keeping the shoe light enough so children can move freely without feeling weighed down. On the outside, the shoe features a synthetic and mesh upper that not only enhances breathability but also ensures durability. The mesh allows for airflow, keeping little feet cool and dry throughout the day, while the synthetic overlays provide structure and support to withstand the wear and tear that comes with energetic kids. The sole is made from durable rubber, which offers excellent traction and grip on various surfaces. Whether on the playground, running tracks, or sidewalks, these shoes are built to keep kids steady and secure with every step. One of the standout design features is the Bungee closure system. This makes the shoes easy to slip on and off, especially for kids who may struggle with traditional laces. The Bungee laces also help secure the shoe snugly around the foot, preventing slipping during active movement. Visually, the Arishi V2 comes in vibrant color options, like the Neo Flame, Black, Lemonade combination, that kids find appealing. The modern style makes these shoes versatile enough to wear not just for sports or running, but also for casual wear and even daycare activities. In terms of sizing, the shoe tends to fit true to size for most children, though some might find the toe box a bit narrow, so it's worth checking sizing carefully to ensure the perfect fit. Overall, the new Balance Kids Fresh Foam Arishi V2 Bungee running shoe offers a great blend of comfort, lightweight cushioning, and durability with a kid-friendly design. It's an excellent option for parents looking for a reliable, stylish running shoe that can keep up with their child's active lifestyle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and insights.